Okay, guys, we're doing an unboxing.
Mm.
We're doing an unboxing. This is Scotty's just got a watch in. Let's have a look. So what have we got here? Wowzers. Oh, we got a Zenith cap.
That's a full retail experience. See?
Full retail experience. It's nice. It's a nice cap.
Yes.
You can't be unhappy with that. Okay, so let's take this to the side. So I'll put that to the side now.
Mm.
Now let's have a look. What have we got inside here, guys? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We've got the bag. Okay, fair enough there. We'll take that off. Okie dokie. We've got the outer box. Oh, okay.
Your fingers are clean, by the way,
Yes,
Alex?
yes, very clean.
Rightio.
Very clean, very clean. So let's take this. Oh, Zenith. I can't wait. Ooh, wow. Wowzers. So this is leather, is it, or what is it?
Oh, I'd say it would be...
So you've got your booklets down below.
It could be vinyl. I'd smell it. You better smell it, because you... What do you think?
It's luxury vinyl, that.
Is it?
It's luxury. I don't think that's... It smells of money. You know, it's like...
You got all the cards and everything underneath.
I got to open it, Scotty. I just can't help it. So what do? You press the button or what?
Press it to the side, like your briefcase.
Oh... Da-da-da-da! Wowzers! Wowzers!
Yes.
Scotty! Wowzers!
So that's my first retail piece in a
Wow.
long time.
Oh, it's got the leather hang tags. It's got absolutely every damn thing. I'll just take that off.
Yep.
Sorry, we'll just put that on.
The rest is
on
in
the Colonel's bucket. The Colonel's bucket. The bucket.
Mm.
Wow! Oh, I thought it was like a beads of rice bracelet. No.
No.
Wow!
It's like it's an oyster bracelet. Yeah.
My, oh, it's got a butterfly clasp.
Yeah, double butterfly clasp. Stickers.
Stickers. Oh my God, Scotty, it is beautiful. What do you think? Tell me what you think.
Yeah, I loved it. Talk about it was an absolute Herculean effort to get this watch.
Yeah.
Yes, probably 2 months in the making, because it's been all over the world. If you think about it, because it ordered it from the store in America.
Yes.
It's they had to order it from Switzerland.
Wow.
I don't know where the Zenith factory is in Switzerland, but
yeah.
I think it's on the back. I don't know how to pronounce it though.
Yeah.
You know, Leloc.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so they ordered it from Switzerland.
Yes.
Made its way to North Carolina.
Yes.
Charlotte, where the store is, and then they shipped it to me.
Wowzers. So, Scotty, the big question is, it is beautiful. I love the tri-compact style. So this is the original size.
It's original 38mm.
38mm.
Now, if you look at the dial,
look at
the reason why I was chasing that one is because you'll notice that now they've cleaned up the dial a bit. You'll notice on the sub dial, the hour dial at the 6 o'clock, it's missing the word automatic.
Oh, okay.
The version before that, they had automatic written across the sub dial. It doesn't have the 36,000 VPH.
Oh, but it is the 36,000.
Yeah, it's a high beat movement.
Yeah.
But you don't need that. You don't need that text written on there. No. And you'll notice as well that it's got the correct placement of the subdials. It's the second and the minute subdials overlap the hour subdial.
Oh, I see.
Rather than previous models. I don't know, for some reason Zenith had the hour subdial overlapping the...
I'm just going to stop that 1 minute, Scotty.
Oh, what?
Take my eyes on me, my thoughts on me just grow and grow and grow. I am the best there is. I think that I'm so grand, so grand.
I gotta be completely honest with you, Scotty. That is a beautiful watch. Tell me this. You've got the 42. Which one?
This is the first time that I've seen them side by side.
Oh, you're joking.
No.
You are joking.
So I'm about to do that. So
oh, okay. So let's put this one.
Maybe should I deflower it? Should we? It's still got its.
I think
on.
you should do it, Scotty, because
Okay.
You know, so can we just film? Oh no, you can deflower it. Just take the stickers off. That's okay. Wow, I gotta say to you,
stickers.
did you? You mentioned it was a big traumatic experience. As I said to you, when you get a watch safely landed in your country,
yes,
it's a great feeling.
Okay. Yes, it got. Look,
They
it
forgot
was in
to
customs.
send. They're supposed to send it EMS.
They were supposed to send it express. I asked for them to send it express, just by United States.
Did you mention
Postal
anything
Service.
to them about that?
I said express.
What did they say?
They sent it regular airmail.
Oh shit!
So it took a week and a bit to get to Australia. It takes a week to clear customs, and then a week to get. I thought it was lost.
Yes, yeah, no, I remember. I had
and you know, the stressful thing was, it wasn't insured.
No. Well,
they said no insurance.
How do you know this?
Well, they said they insured it for.
But he might have had a third-party insurance.
Oh,
who knows?
he was. Look, I wasn't really happy about that, but I got it.
As long as it turns up,
but
you're happy.
It was. All I can say. Some advice for other people if they're buying watches overseas. Make sure you make it extremely abundantly clear.
Yeah.
You want. Well, if you're not going to pick FedEx or.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I don't think
express.
I wouldn't be upset. It's turned up. You've got the watch.
Jeez, I can't even
undo it there now.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Stickers, yeah.
So you haven't. Okay.
I just have to rip it off.
Yeah. So do you want some scissors?
Oh no, it should be okay.
Okay, just rip that off, baby.
Now you love Zenith.
I actually.
I love Zenith equal to Rolex. I really love Zenith.
Oh, that's a big call. I
love
love
the brand.
I love Rolex, but yeah, the Zenith. I think there has to be respect, kudos for them because they are.
Well, they've won awards for their movements, and we're not talking about just the El Primero movement. There's other movements that they've won awards for. Yeah, where would you put Zenith in the chain?
Oh, I think Zenith would have to be like JEWELLERY almost.
Well, that's what I was about to say. Yeah, if
you
you've got some scissors, yeah.
I think it's highly respected. Here you go, Scotty.
In the watch.
I think highly respected. Don't worry about the stickers. It's only Rolex freaks who are after this sort of crap.
No, I don't keep the stickers. No. What? They keep the stickers?
Oh, they're just nuts. Rolex people.
Oh, I'm not doing that. That's a bit over the top.
You just put it on top of the bucket here. Thank you.
That is over the top.
Well,
That's
they're just
too
nuts.
far.
Rolex people are nuts, you know. I got to tell you, Scotty, they're just nuts. I even had one guy who didn't even want to refuse the Batman because they wouldn't leave the stickers on it. I mean, why would you do that, man? It's hard to get a Batman.
Yes. That is a bit.
I got to say, this
foolish.
is a really amazing watch. I was expecting on a beads of rice, but
What's a beads of rice bracelet?
you know like the Omega Constellation, you know the little fine beads of rice. It's like a Jubilee, but more finer.
Okay.
But
now on this piece here,
have you worn it or not? No.
no,
You saved it for the channel.
it is a virgin piece. It hasn't been worn by anyone.
Wow, Scotty, it's
You know, it's still got got
stickers.
everything on it, straight from the factory
yes,
in
Switzerland. Le Croc something, you know.
Yeah,
Who the fuck
anyway.
cares anyhow?
Gosh, we should speed this up.
Yeah, that's okay, Scotty.
Fans are
We're
gonna get
talking
bored
about
of this.
the fans. Yeah. No, that's It's okay. It's okay, Scotty. It's all good. We
Should we pause it and then come back once it's
okay? We'll just pause. Guys, it's really dishonest to jump into bed with garbage. It's really dishonest. It's really dishonest. I mean, I've been approached hundreds of times by shitter brands. I said no. I said no. No shitters. No shitters. So just remember that when you're picking your YouTube gurus, don't always go for the one who everything's wonderful, everything's great, because it ain't the case. It ain't all fucking wonderful. Oh, and don't forget, fuckaroonies, like, subscribe, and tell your fuckhead friends. And don't forget to mention the ArchieLuxury travel channel. That's where I'm doing live shows, fuckers.